Gagawin ko ulit ito pero dito sa labas ng bahay. A little bit far away that you can see me. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is put this balance and a oops. This one. Just a minute. Balance it first. And wait. I'll just put this one. And I need to get hold of those. Anyway. That. Okay. Stop. Just take a video. Right. Don't get so close.
I know what I'm doing.
Okay. Here.
Jesus.
Okay. Ayan. Okay. I'm going to start walking now. Let's see. For how long? That we can walk into whoopsie oopsie wom. Whoopsie oopsie whoop whoop walk. And walking in the rain. Just walking in the rain. Ayan, alis ko na. Ano ko ulit? Oh. Concentrate. Whoops. Whoopsie. Okay. Oh, I could feel this moving. Ooh. Ah. Yeah, okay. Going, walking again. Oh, yan. Hey, I'm getting used to it now. Okay, turning. Oh. Walking back towards over there. Is there one? How long is it now?
2 minutes 30.
Huh?
2 minutes 30.
Okay, make it 30 minutes. 3 minutes. Okay, let's go back. Woo-hoo! Okay, I'm going back this way now. Ayan. Tignan ko kung may malalagay ko, may bababa ko. Oh! Nakailang minute? 3 seconds? 3 minutes?